Alright, you guys, so I just got ready, put on some jeans, some shoes, a shirt, and we're about to head out to San Mateo, pick up the new wheels for the FRS. Got the Flow on me, the daily. We got a long drive ahead of ourselves. I'm not gonna be showing the wheels. Gotta leave you guys on a little cliffhanger, but let's go. Chick-fil-A first though. Gotta get that spicy chicken sandwich with the fries, and then we're gonna get home, put the wheels on the car. I'm excited. We're out here, San Mateo, but just drove an hour and like 30 minutes. Got some new wheels for the FRS. Some big boys right here, but little sneak peek. But I'll show you guys when we get to the house. We're gonna put the car on jack stands and we're gonna try to put these wheels on today, baby. So hope you guys like the new setup.
What's good, guys? Just getting off work. I think Manny got his new wheels, so that's interesting. We're about to pull up to his pad. I think he needs some help adjusting his camber because they're a little bit too wide for his wide body. I'm gonna probably take the BBSs home. We're gonna probably end up running the gold BBSs on the Golf.
I'm trying to go for something a little bit different. A lot of people get BBSs on Volkswagens. It's pretty common. It's not bad. It's a great look. It's just too common, and I'm trying to change it up. So I probably will not be running these wheels any longer.
Just pulling up. This dude, tell him to have the car ready. It's definitely not ready. Here they are. So as you can see, the rears are a little too aggressive. The fronts fit perfectly fine. Too much stress on the fender. So we're about to take the wheels off, and hopefully I can adjust this camber so he can sit flush. I think I want to get these wheels now for my Beamer. Imagine, guys, the Beamer bagged on these wheels. That'd be saucy. Oh yeah, this guy tried airing out with all that aggressiveness, and then
I cracked the paint.
He just cracked the paint. All right, so I just maxed it all out, and we'll see how it fits. Probably gonna need more, but we'll see right now. All right, so we maxed out the camber already. We're about to actually put it on the floor and see how it does. Hopefully we don't blow out the fenders. Looks like it's gonna fit, but we'll see. Seems legit. For the most part, it looks good. So we had to install the other two rivets. Perfect. See, Manny? He's saying that he got a flat tire because this guy doesn't pick up his fucking needles. Okay. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm back from Manny's. Don't mind me. I need a haircut. I'm struggling.
and I'm fully aware. But I'm gonna move all of my dad's trucks and get the Golf in here so that we can start working on it. I need that car to just be done already. We got the car on jacks and a few fucking cinder blocks, super sketch. Manny pulled up. You already know the boys are always pulling up no matter what. This management has got to go. We're gonna change the whole management. All right, so we took all of the old management stuff out.
If anybody wants it, it's for sale.
If anyone wants it, it's for sale, $1. Now that's probably gonna be it for today.
What's up, guys? We're here at Drama's dad's house. About to start working on the Golf a little bit. Right now, we're gonna head over to another town and get some lines, some fittings, and a little water trap for Drama's new management. Check it out, guys. The heaters, fucking banger.
Let's get it.
Hopefully, we can get all this shit installed today with our fat asses and a late start. But fuck it, we can try it. Look at that. Boy, upgrading the Airlift. Shee, we upgrading.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Just got to the fitting store. Let's head inside.
They have all your fittings and butt plugs.
I don't know about butt plugs, but they got your fittings, guys. We pretty much come here every single time that we have an issue with bags, which is a lot.
Let's see. And then I need 2 of these fittings.
Okay.
I also need a water trap. They don't work. So what should I do?
Just drain it.
Drain it?
Every 6 months.
Okay.
To you. Drum and I just got schooled on the proper way to run fucking airlines by this OG that works right here at Parker, CSC of Salinas. What do you think, Drama? Did we do good numbers right now?
Oh yeah, that guy's a beast.
Oh yeah. Time to get working on the Golf. All right, guys, we just got back from the store. We got all the fittings and line we needed. But let me take you through what we just did so I can explain to you guys or somebody new who doesn't know this process. So these are the 3 things that we just bought. Right here is about 40 feet of airline. Here are some brackets for this compressor. This compressor didn't come with the brackets, but that's okay. A quick stop at your local hardware store and you can find some brackets like this. They're not gonna fit properly, but with a small little sanding, they're gonna fit just like that. As you can see here, that it hits. But right here, you just sand the little corner real quick and you'll be good to go. And here are the air fittings for the tank. So this is what we came up with for the mounting spots, for everything. It's all temporary. Drama's got big plans for his trunk setup, so just fucking keep it like this for now and then update it later. So we're right now just gonna get to drilling and, you know, get everything mounted up. So we just finished up Drama's car, got all the lines ran, management's ready to go. Yeah, let's just see how it works. So does it work?
You already know, look. No, so basically when the car's off, it'll say like low voltage.
Yep, because the car's off.
Yeah. And then basically, there's your air out.
Alright guys, that wraps up the whole video. We finished the suspension on the car. Manny got his new wheels. So, good things coming up.
So,
Subscribe, stay tuned. Not a sponsor.
not a sponsor, but cue the cinematic. Oh, fuck.
What cinematic?
This is the end of the video, you fucking idiot.
Oops.
Bro, we've been done
Bro.
cinematics.
Nah, for the wheel. I'm done with it. Bro, I haven't been here all day. And I'm hungry as shit.
Later's flavor pack. Deuces. Stay tuned.